Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses program. In this video we are going to learn Google is providing the free software development apprenticeship 2027 and last date of apply of this is the August 3rd 2026 and freshers apply also can apply. So we'll go through the step by step process on that. So that is Google has officially announced the free software application development apprenticeship 2027 for the fresh graduates across India. In this video, we'll learn everything about the Google Software Development Apprenticeship on March 2027 batch, including the eligibility, location, required qualification, selection process, benefits, and important dates and how to apply before the deadline. So there is a 12 months paid apprenticeship. Freshers are eligible. Bachelor's and master degree holders. Less than 1 year experience is required. Location is Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, and there is a Mumbai. So last date to apply August 3rd, 2026. So this is the link. You will go through the links. If you are looking for the start your software engineering career at Google, don't miss this opportunity and like, share and subscribe. You will like this video. So when we'll open this apply link, so this is the page here software application development apprenticeship March 2027 start, and this is from the Google, and this is the locations, and this is the intern and apprentice. So there is the apply button. So we'll go through the details, then we'll go through the apply button. So this is the apprenticeship intended to individual who can graduate and wants to learn and develop the entry level technical and professional skill in software development. If you are currently pursuing or completed a degree in the software engineering SWE related field, we are encourage you to browse our university graduate and internship opportunities. So application information and instruction is there. This is the program is the 12 months in duration, and while this program open those who are interested in the software development career, recent graduate and individual work experience other industry men may apply. Apprenticeships are only eligible apply on other full-time role in the Google. Only eligible to apply the any other full-time role at the Google in the last 3 months or apprenticeship program tenure. Just remember that if you are not applied any of this, then only you apply. Once on board, transfer location is not permitted. It means that we have a multiple locations. These are the locations. If you want to transfer after the onboard, they are not allowing to change the location. So application must include the resume and application clearly calling year of graduation. This is a very important, and whole process will take 18 to 24 months. And during be patient during this same. So this will take time to process the your application. This is not eligible for the immigration sponsorship, and this posting will be live until the August 3rd 2026. This is very important for you. As soon as possible you should apply, and government mandates are very important. Your mobile number should be linked with the Aadhaar, and you have a personal active email address for the requirement for the registration, eKYC and verification process. And you must possess an Aadhaar seeded bank account. Your Aadhaar number must be seeded in the your bank account. A person may undergo a maximum 2 internship training. The second training should not be the same as the trade. If you want to going for the this one software development, and if you want the another software development, they will not allow. You have to go with the another trade, another discipline. So additional application guidelines is there. So where the terminated previous apprentice contract. Okay. So when an apprentice has been terminated and previous apprentice contract, application government guidelines on eligibility of joining the new program shall apply. So these are the location: Bengaluru, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. There is 4 locations are there. This is the minimum qualification should be there: bachelor or master degree in engineering or related field. No currently enrolled in the academic program. So you should your this bachelor or master should be completed. Less than 1 year of experience of the software application development, and program experience at least one coding language. You should know one of the coding language for applying this job. So prepared qualification is there. So Google Workspace, you should know similar suit for the productivity tool, and experience thinking critically and excellent problem solving skills should be there. Ability to learn programming language based on your project requirement, ability to work independently with it without a team and with a team, and ability to navigate multiple tasks, completing priorities, and excellent communication and organizational skill, self-motivated, positive attitude, and excellent customer service capabilities. So next is that about the job. So this is the Google Software Application Development Apprenticeship is an learning and development program for 12 months. And apprentices are excited to join in person to their assigned in office and particulate full time 40 hours a week. So other details you can go with the more details, and responsibilities, this is very important. So learn and follow the coding standard, ensure the compliance with the quality measure, support your team to develop a software based and agreed project, applied knowledge on the gained apprenticeship and real world application, ensure code tested in accordance with the guideline provided by the team or your manager. So all the details we have gone through the step-by-step process. There is apply button. When you will click on the apply button, this page will open. This is the there get started, and there's a create your profile, and profile save your info so that you can quickly and previous personalized job recommendation and career content help you to search. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Your name, preferred name, your mobile number with the country code, your resume should be there, and there is a multiple options are there. So you can go with the privacy policy. You have to understand and check this thing as submit and continue. In second is the career profile, then role information, self identification and review, and then you can submit the final form. So this is the process, step by step process to applying this software application development apprenticeship, and this is going to be start from the March 2027. So all the details are there. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright infringement intended. For copyright concern, you can send mail on the Chirag Mahto @gmail.com. Follow and support on YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel. Link are given. So follow the process exactly shown in the video. And do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box, and like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.